How to fix the Instagram's delayed notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are receiving the delayed notification, here are some of the solutions. For the step 1, you have to check the notification settings in Instagram. For this, first of all, launch the Instagram application and log in into your account. Then tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the three-line menu from the top right, and under How to use Instagram, tap on Notifications. Once you tap on Notification, check if Pause All button is toggled on. If it is, toggle it off. Pausing all notification will prevent any notification from reaching your device. Also check the quiet mode. If it's turned on, make sure to toggle it off. Even if this is not the issue or resolving it, you might have to reinstall the app. If notifications are still delayed, you will have to now contact the Instagram support, and this should probably fix the issue. This is all for today's video. If the video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.